In part 1, we knocked down a barn built in 1881. The link will be in the description below. In part 2 of this Build a Barn series, we will be cutting down some trees and then milling that lumber in order to have material to build our new pole barn.
Tree 1 down.
We need 12s and we need 13s. 13, 6, we might be able to pull 2 of them, and then this will be all the trusses.
Hi, Caden.
And give more light to the pond. That's how it's supposed to go.
Tree number 2 is down.
Good thing we brought 2 saws. We're having a recoil issue.
Hey guys!
Hi buddy.
Okay.
Dad's gonna take it apart.
Apple?
Oh, let's see what happened. The rope went over top of the drum, between the drum where the spring goes in. I don't know how that happened. So we'll fix it, but not right now. I think there might just be too much rope on it. Yeah, we're gonna get rid of some of this rope. The drum loosened up. Yeah, we need to get rid of all this rope right here. The rope was so long that when it was recoiling, it was doubling up. It fell over top of this lip here. So this should help. Here we go again.
Tree number 3 is down.
Yeah, these are our top cords. So these got to be 6s. We can run the bottoms in 2x4s. And then this come out at, I think 10? Yeah, 10 footer. 7. That's 10, and this is a 10. We'll mill both of them into 2x4s. We're just measuring to figure out what we're gonna get out of them. We'll square up at 17 by 14. This one will square up nice. 10 inches by 9 inches. So I'll pull 12 2x4x10s out of this, plus what we take off the edges.
We apparently missed some logs. Caden has to finish cleaning up for us. Oh, nice back blade. It's one way to get it out of there.
Okay.
So this is one of the poplars that we dropped last weekend. What we're going to do is we're going to mill this one and quite a few others up into the trusses for the pole barn, as well as the purlings and the header boards. We'll end up purchasing the treated lumber, but we'll try to make the rest of the lumber. At least we'll make as much as we can with the logs that we have. So I'm going to get this one milled up into 2x6s, and we'll see what we can get out of the other ones. So that makes me feel a little better. It was probably a hook for somebody's bow or gun, which means they probably used a ladder stick rather than a bunch of screw-in steps. So hopefully we're good. Unfortunately, that's what metal does to a bandsaw blade. That one's junk. Yeah, big helper.
Good job, baby.
Thank you. Can you go get more? count them out. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 21, 2 by 6 by 13s. And we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 16 2 by 4s. Some 13s and some 8s, some 10s. That's all out of one stalk.
This is the boys' favorite part after their dad is done sawmilling. Playing in all the sawdust.
Okay, so these are a bunch of 8s, just 2x4x8s, but I milled them as modern dimensional lumber to make it easier if we have to use any dimensional lumber. So 2x4x8s, 2x10x8s, and there's a whole pile of 2x4x16s. It's all Eastern Cottonwood. We'll sort through it as we go. Moisture's not too bad, and it's down to about 30% now, so it should hold up fine.
There you have it. Part 2 in this Build a Barn series is complete. Make sure you subscribe so you can see further progress on this project. Next we will be digging out our post holes, getting those poles in place. And lastly, putting up the girt boards with the wood that we milled in this video. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to see more action in our household.